My video guide will provide you with guidelines that will help you to get rid of these scary pop-ups claiming to be Windows support alerts. But these pop-ups are totally fake and you should not tolerate them. Such pop-ups, by the way, quote this fake Windows support number 844-542-2280. This is a fake Windows support number. Don't call it and don't trust these deceptive and misleading pop-ups. Such pop-ups try to force people into calling this fake number, not related to Windows, by the way, and then there will be some hackers who will try to connect to the computer remotely. They may demand from potential victims to pay money, supposedly to get the browser fixed, but in reality it's a mistake to actually interact with these deceptive pop-ups. So don't trust them and don't call this fake number. Once again, it is not related to Microsoft. I recommend that you thoroughly research your system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get its fresh version on the official website combocleaner.com. So download the program, install the application, and then begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.